If you know what this means, guys, then you will type congratulations in the comment section. I could still remember last year, August 2024. My profile had just about 50, no, 100 followers then. I got the profile to about 100 followers, and all of a sudden, I started seeing people contacting me, messaging me, oh, help me for this, help me for that, help me sort this, help me sort that. And wow, I was really caught by the fun of it all. And I haven't really read the Facebook policy or guideline like hook, line, and sinker. I haven't gone through everything properly. I never knew there was also a section called the teacher-student relationship. The students, the teacher-student relationship ought to be private, particularly in things that has to do with financial transaction, maybe like some type of chats. You're not supposed to make some certain things public. I never understood that. And all of a sudden, I usually post screenshots of how policy issues were sorted for some students and who contact me online, and I post it and I get a lot of comment like I'm just doing that as a follow up just to reach out to people who may be having similar issues. And all of a sudden, by this particular time I'm doing this live now, I posted something like this on Facebook. And I also as if a screen just flashed down my screen. Like something just flashed down my screen. And the next thing is that profile is restricted. I was like, jeez, how come? And Facebook pointed to a screenshot I posted. Hey, and I could have jumped that violation, but because I didn't also know how to appeal. Another thing you must notice this: the algorithm never admits that you are wrong to the algorithm. Yes, the moment you do, in fact, you'll be given your severe punishments, severe one. And they pointed it and I was like, yes, so this thing I posted is wrong. And next thing is like, okay, we're gonna get back to you, we're gonna restore your profile. And the next thing I saw was that your profile has been restricted for 157 days. No, not even 157, 177 days. 177 days. And that's 6 months plus. 6 months plus. Hey. And why I created this profile, a lot of persons knew me and started getting in touch with me as a coach, 177 days. That's not a joke. In fact, be typing congratulations in the comment section. And I was like, it's not 6 months. I beg you. 6 months. I will reach there. No. But all the views I've gathered, all the watch hours I've gathered, all the engagement I've gathered, I still seen all of them dropping, dropping, dropping. There are various violations. When your profile is having yellow, it's not that serious. Mine was having red, the red tick finally removed. And that was about 6 months. 6 months passed and it got to this particular time And one thing you must notice, if it does not go, if it does not go into the day, the time, the hour, the minute, that violation will not go until it reaches the said time. And that was how eventually 6 months crossed and that was over. And I still saw one more. In other words, I was like, wow. Meaning I was giving 4 straight violations. 3 ended in 6 months. While the 4th one, all the guidelines that I can't go live, I can't change the page name, I can't do so many other things, you know. And the last one, which held down this profile, was that you can't change page name. That one wasn't for 177, that was for a full year. That was August 14, 2024, and this is August 14, 2025. And today, eventually, the red tick has gone. After this live, I'm going to post a screenshot of it so that you see it. So type congratulations in the comment section. Let's begin the journey again, guys. So at this point in time, I need your likes, your comments, your shares, your engagement, as well as follow up to my videos. So guys, you'll be supporting me from day one. This is not the time to relent. I need more of you now. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Our restrictions are over. Joy is in the house, booty. So the red tick is removed finally. Thank you so much, guys, for being patient. And I still thank God that I hit 1K subscribers, and couple with that didn't really deter me. I kept on posting, irrespective of the fact that I wasn't really having views. My post was hitting about 20 something K views, you know. As at then, our posts have 12K, 11K, you know. It's also painful. Honestly, but we have to start all over. Red tick finally removed, and here I am now. So wish me congratulations in the comment section, guys. Congratulations. Now the time for you to support me, for you to be by my side. You know, we want to begin the journey again. We want to begin the journey again. The restriction is over, guys. It is over. I had 1 year restriction and it is over. I want to begin to see your congratulations pouring in, guys. Alright, thank you so much. Let's celebrate in the house, man. So guys, follow my posts back to back, like, comment, share, and you know, let others see more and more of this content. Alright, so I remain a kind of Peter, and I'm here to make a content creation journey easy. I post back to back, and you may need any of my services on content creation, video editing, photo editing, and content creation hacks, tips, you know, all of that. So please hop on this and share this live. Thank you so much, guys. You are the best.